So we've got different types of poles here, and they've all got different pros and cons. When I'm looking to buy a trail running pole, I want something that's going to predominantly be light. It's going to be easy to use, so it's going to be faff free. Got a nice soft adjustable strap, and I'm going to put my hand through this and push it down here, so then I can put a thumb and forefinger around the pole and push back on it. Uphill you make the pole shorter. When you're going downhill you can make them longer. Okay, so these ones are really nice because you've actually got a button here. What I really love about poles, for me, I feel like I now get my four-wheel drive. So starting on the flat, we're going to try and get opposite arms to legs. Watch the people behind so you don't poke them in the shins. So give each other a bit of space.
Alternate leg and arm.
Yeah.
You've got this.
Yeah.
For yourself. When is best to use? Like when is the best time to use these ones?
Individually, you'll find the best thing that works for you. But I like them going up. I fold them away and I want to run downhill and feel like I'm flying down.
Yeah.
But at the end of an ultra or a really long day out in the mountains, sometimes your knees are a bit sore. Yeah. So actually having the poles to help you come down means that, you know, your knees aren't broken and you can run the next day.
Yeah.
So you're getting a push down and a push back, and it will start giving you rhythm and help you climb the hill. Absolutely good. You carry on going along on the left.